walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real?
A few moments later.
Ito yung vlogger namin sa RCG vlogger po.
Vlog na to, vlogger. Ano pangalan?
Vincent.
Dali kasi
Ano yun?
paano
Yung saan ba? Sa page ko po.
Oo.
Student Bus Vlog po. PH. Bus Vlog. PH. Opo.
Ang pangalan? Yan, kaya mamaya pag di ko nakita.
Siguro.
Yaris na.
707 guys Ang 707 guys yung driver namin yung 707. Madto yung Pasay man yan. Saan yung 710? Papasay. Kakauwi lang Iloilo. Iloilo? Pasay na yan sila diretso.
Two hours later.
707. Dahil Iloilo na yan guys. Ito yung 710 namin Double P.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want.
Ayan guys may motor man kaming kinarga. Ayan motor. Ayan yung motor na tinakyan kay 707. Ayan haya-hay siya dyan
Nice.
Ngayon sinakyan yung motor Ayun yung mabay sa aming Ito ang aking pasero guys isa lang ang aking pasero dun sasakay sa 707. Pag sakay mo naman dyan malamig yan dami yung stock sa doon.
Ang mas bilis. Red zone na.
Ito sa akin ha. Aking pasero. Isa. Yung aking pasero ba?
Ano?
Kamag-anak ni Sir Mike. Kaya lang dun. Sa dulo. Dami namin pasero
Ilang
guys.
kilobusero ni, ano? Miguel?
Dami.
Namula mo na?
Oo.
Ngala ko
Sa Alabang.
Sa lang ka, ano ba?
Daming bulpo guys. So,
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading